This time we're going to be simplifying and simplifying the ratio specifically to get it into the form of 1 to n or n to 1. These are known as unit ratios, right? So we need to look at the form that they want us to put the ratio in so that we know what number we're going to divide both parts by. So this time it's going to be n to 1. So where the 4 is, that needs to go down to 1, which means we have to divide both parts of the ratio by 4. The second step is then just to simplify both parts. It's important to show your full workings out. Yeah, it allows you to track back and notice or spot any mistakes, and also you develop those good habits that allow you to learn and really understand the work. So when we get the ratio in that form, we get 6 over 4 to 1. If you wanted, you can write 6 over 4 as a decimal, and where possible you can then simplify that part of the ratio or any part of the ratio. So we simplify if possible, and 6 over 4 becomes 3 over 2 to 1, and we can write that as 1.5 to 1. So for example, if there were 6 red M&Ms in a bag and 4 blue M&Ms, what we're saying is for every 1 blue M&M there's going to be 1.5 red M&Ms. Okay? For the second one, we want it in the form n to 1, so where the 5 is, that has to go down to 1, so we divide both parts of the ratio by 5, so we get 11 over 5 to 1. We can write that as 2.2 to 1. So in other words, if there's 11 green M&Ms in a bag and 5 brown M&Ms in a bag, what that says is for every 1 brown M&M there will be 2.2 green M&Ms. Right. So here we've got the ratio 4 to 7, we want it in the form 1 to n. So where the 4 is, that has to go down to 1, which means we divide both parts by 4, so we get 1 to 7 over 4, which can be written as 1 to 1.75. So again, if there's 4 blue M&Ms in a bag and 7 red M&Ms, what it's saying is for every 1 blue M&M there's going to be 1.75 red M&Ms in the bag. And for the last ratio, we've got 2 to 3. Where the 2 is, that has to go down to 1. So we're going to find the unit fraction, a unit ratio, not fraction, unit ratio. So we divide both parts by 2, we get 1 to 3 over 2, which is the same as 1 to 1.5. And that is the unit fraction.